Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. Today we are at CVS to do our haul, and for the first time in like 6 months, my inserts actually did not arrive early. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of deals using digital coupons and coupons from previous inserts. So if you didn't get your inserts yet, or if you don't plan on buying any, still lots of deals that you're going to be able to take advantage of, so stay tuned. I'm also going to be announcing 2 different winners for the previous giveaways to win facial care and to win some beauty products. So if you entered in those giveaways, I will be letting you know the winners towards the end. If you're new to my channel as well, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I post new giveaways or amazing deals, you can take advantage of them as well. There is also an amazing deal on Pampers with the Ibotta glitch that is back. I am going to be completing my Furry Friends bonus today, which is just 1 rebate. You're going to get an additional $2 back. If you don't have that rebate or the bonus and you didn't know about it, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Bree Coupon Queen. I post anytime new bonuses come available and how to get them, different things like that, new daily deals and freebies, money makers, all that information is on my Instagram as well. So definitely make sure you head over there and follow me. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of some great deals this week at CVS. So first up, when we get into CVS, you always want to come to the Redbox Coupon Center, type in your phone number, or you can scan your card. I usually type in my phone number 3 different times. That way I can get as many CRTs and instant coupons to print as possible. We are getting an instant coupon or a mystery coupon for Covergirl, so we'll have to see what that amount is. I will post it on my Instagram as well. So this deal on Tresemme was gonna be my favorite deal, and it was gonna wind up being completely free. But because I don't have the 3 off of 2 coupons from today's inserts, I have only a $2 digital, but I'm still gonna do the deal. So I'm gonna grab 4 of these bottles. They are 2 for $9. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So I have this $2 off 1 Tresemme digital coupon. I also have this $6 off of 4 Tresemme CRT, and I'm using a 4 off of 18 CRT. I'm gonna pay $6, get back a $2 extra buck, making it $4 for 4, or just $1 each. The $18 does track towards CVS Beauty as well, which is why I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal. Now we're gonna grab some Colgate. So the Max Fresh is $3.49 this week. When you buy 2, you'll get a $5 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these. That'll bring you to $6.98. Then on the Colgate website, it is linked in the printable breakdown. You can print 75-cent off 1 coupons. Says it works on the Max Fresh, and you're good to go on using 2 coupons because the limit is 4. So we are gonna pay $5.48 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, making it 48 cents for both, or 24 cents each. So there are 2 different ways that you can do the spend 20, get a $5 extra buck deal. There's more than 2 ways, but I'm gonna show you 2 in today's video. One way, you can grab 2 of the Head and Shoulders. You can grab the men 2-in-1. You can grab the regular, whatever is tagged in your store. They are 2 for $12 and they are included. We do have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and I have a 3 off of 10 Head and Shoulders CRT that I'm gonna add in with this deal. The next item you can grab, and this is the one I'm gonna do because we literally just ran out of Tide. I'm gonna grab the large one. It's $11.94. We do have this $3 off 1 digital coupon. So that'll put us over the $20 mark. Let's see what this deal will pan out to be. So total for these products is gonna be $23.94. Then we have the $3 Tide Digital, 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulders, and 3 off of 10 Head and Shoulders CRT. I'm gonna pay $14.94, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $9.94 for 3 products, or about $3.32 each. So not a bad deal, especially when I need some Tide. You can also do it using Pampers. So let's go check out that deal and scenario instead. This is the other scenario that winds up being amazing for Pampers. So what you can do, grab 2 of these. The number 1, the glitch on Ibotta does not work on the newborns. I didn't scan the other ones, but it does work on this one. So what you're gonna do is grab 2 of them. They are 2 for $20 and they're included in the PG deal. I don't have the 3 off of 2 manufacturer digital, but I do have this 3 off of 15 Pampers CRT. So I would pay $17 out of pocket for 2 of these, get back a $5 extra buck, then submit to Ibotta. The $3 rebate and the $1.50 rebate are attaching, as well as this 10-cent any diaper cream. So you're gonna wind up getting back $4.50 per bag of diapers. That's a total of $9.10 back. If you have the Furry Friend bonus, that'll give you another $2 back. So you are gonna be getting back a total of $11.10 from Ibotta. So again, pay $17 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $12. You're getting back $11.10 from Ibotta, making your final cost 90 cents for 2 bags of diapers, which is insane. So if you want to roll extra bucks as well, or beauty bucks from your last week's transactions, you can. That'll make your out-of-pocket even lower, and it could possibly be a moneymaker deal. A good makeup deal you can do this week is on Covergirl. Buy any 2, get a $6 extra buck, limit of 1. I'm gonna grab one of these face powders down here. They are $9.99. I'm gonna grab this one. We do have coupons from our previous inserts, the 131 Smart Source. So I'm gonna use this $2 off 1 Covergirl face product. Then I am gonna grab one of these mascaras over here that are $9.99. So let's see which one I want. Let's grab this guy at $10.79. So I like super black for my mascara color. Then we have another coupon from the same inserts, a $2 off 1 eye product. I also have this $6 off of 20 Covergirl CRT that I'm going to be using. And today at the Red Box, the mystery coupon did wind up being $3, just like my breakdown, which is awesome. So make sure you print this at the Red Box. If you get a threshold CRT or anything else, definitely let me know in the comments below. So now we are going to wind up paying, okay, just kidding, I switched it up to these 2. This one is $8.99 and this one is $10.99, bringing us to $19.98. So after the $6 CRT, the $3 instant coupon, and the $2 off manufacturer coupons, we are going to be left to pay $6.98, get back a $6 extra buck, making our final cost 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each, which is awesome. This is going to help us hit beauty again today as well. Now we're gonna do the Nivea deal. It's on the cream, the shave products, or the body lotion. I'm gonna grab 2 of these smaller guys here. They're $5.99 at my store. We do have this $2 off 1 coupon we got in our 131 Smart Source, and we have this $2.50 off 1 digital coupon. If you have a 2 off of 10 lotion CRT, definitely add that in. I only have a $3.50 off of 15, so that would not work on this deal. I'm gonna pay $7.24 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, making our final cost $2.24, or $2, I'm sorry, and 48 cents for 2 of them, or $1.24 each, so not a bad deal. Now we're gonna grab some Eucerin, and the typical products I buy, they're out of stock. So we're gonna switch it up a little bit. It is spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab one of these original healing lotions here at $12.49. We do have this $2 off 1 digital coupon that is working on that. Then I'm gonna grab this eczema relief here. It's $9.79. That'll bring us to $22.28. I scanned them on the CVS app, and this 4 off of 20 facial care CRT is attaching. We also have this $2 off one coupon that we're gonna be using to attach to the eczema relief. Hopefully it'll work on that. So we are gonna wind up paying $14.28 out of pocket, getting back a $10 extra buck, making it $4.28 for both, or about $2.14 each. This will also be tracking towards CVS Beauty. We should be hitting beauty at least twice today, giving us back a $6 beauty buck. Another deal we're gonna do is on the Garnier facial care. So these are buy two, get a $5 extra buck. One way you could do it is grab one of these green labs at $9.99. I do have two CRTs attaching to this one, both for $2 off of one, which is awesome. Then you can grab this micellar gel cleanser at $9.99. You could use the 4 off of 20 facial care CRT on this deal and a separate micellar water CRT for that. So that's gonna take off $10. You would pay $9.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $4.98 for both, or $2.49 each. The $19.98 does track towards CVS Beauty as well. Now I'm gonna do the Dove deal. They are 2 for $8, buy two, get a $2 extra buck, limit of 1. I'm gonna grab 2 of these daily moistures down here. Then we have this $1 off one digital coupon. When I scanned these on the app, that coupon didn't pop up, but when you click shop this deal on that digital coupon, it shows that it does attach to these. So I'll let you guys know at checkout. Then, because I don't have my inserts for today, I do have a $1 off one coupon from the dove.com emails. I'm gonna pay $6, get back a $2 extra buck, and submit to Ibotta for $1 back each. That'll give us back $2, making my final cost $2 for both, or just $1 each. If you need some men's razors, I'm gonna grab this Gillette deal. It's buy two, get an $8 extra buck, and these are the cheapest ones at $9.99. Then I have this 5 off of 20 shave CRT and a $5 off of 2 Gillette men's razors. That'll take off $10. I'll pay $9.98, get back an $8 extra buck, making them just 99 cents each, which is awesome for some razors. So quick overview, total for all these products as far as beauty is concerned is gonna be $92 and about 24 cents. So we are gonna be getting back another $9 beauty buck, which is gonna make some of these deals freebies and money makers, which is awesome. I'm gonna be getting my $2 furry friend bonus for doing the Dove Ibotta rebate as well, which is gonna make these 2 free for me. So let's go check out and see how our CRTs pan out. So remember, in order to get a gift card for CVS on the Flues app, you're going to be on this main screen right when you pull it up. You're going to search the store, click CVS. There it is. Then it's going to ask you how much you want. So the minimum is $10, maximum is $200. I recommend you do a $10 gift card, and you do it before you get to the store. That way you don't have any issues. If it's your first time, you can verify your bank account and do all of that. Then you're gonna hit continue. It's gonna ask you what card you wanna put it on. If you wanna apply your Flues balance, you can. That'll lower your out-of-pocket cost. And it shows at the top, you're gonna get back $3.80. So you're gonna purchase that gift card and you're gonna show it right to the cashier. They're going to click gift card on their side, scan the barcode right from your phone, and that's how you're going to use the gift card. Now remember, it's going to cost $10. You're getting $3.80 back, making your final cost just $6.20, which is awesome. Okay, now it's time to announce the 2 winners, one for the beauty products and one for the facial care that I did in my giveaways last week. So drum roll. The winner of the beauty products is going to be Trisha Mott. Congratulations. And the winner of the facial care products is going to be Angie Foreman. Congratulations to both of you ladies. Make sure you send me an email within 2 days to BreeCouponQueen@gmail.com so I can get the products in the mail for you as soon as possible. Thank you again for everyone who participated. You know there will be tons more giveaways to come. So now let's get into the final breakdowns and how everything worked at checkout. Okay, so we're back in from CVS. Everything went amazing. That Gillette deal, I actually just saw as I was coming through the aisle. I didn't even have that originally in my breakdowns. So I wound up splitting up my transactions into 3 transactions to keep my out-of-pocket as low as possible. So I want to share with you my transactions and kind of what went down. Okay, so first transaction, I did the Tresemme, I did the Colgate deal, the Nivea deal as well, and the Covergirl. So these are the coupons that I gave. These are the Colgate coupons, the $2 Nivea, and the $2.50 Nivea digital, the Tresemme, $2 digital, 6 off 20 Covergirl, 6 off 4 Tresemme, 4 off 18 hair care, $3 Covergirl. That's the mystery coupon that we got at the Red Box today. Make sure you go there anytime this week at CVS to get that printed. Rolled my $9 in beauty box that I posted on my Instagram. I got that from my second CVS haul last week, and a $10 extra buck and a $6 extra buck. Paid with a Flu's gift card, as I just showed you how it's super easy to get a gift card and you're getting cash back. So instead of just paying out of pocket cash, you may as well get cash back on it. Super easy to use Flu's. My referral code is right below in the description box. If you want to know how to get more vouchers for the 35% cash back, I did just do a live and a video on it with all of the information. So this video here is going to be linked below in the description box as well. So definitely check it out so you can get even more vouchers above just the 3 that you get from signing up on Flu's with my referral code. So then I rolled those extra bucks that I got into this transaction, did my spend 20 deal and the Dove. Gave them the coupon for the Dove. That was the only paper coupon I gave. The $3 Tide, $3 Head and Shoulder, $1 Dove, 3 off 10 Head and Shoulder. These are all extra bucks that I rolled all from the first transaction. So if you do the first transaction exactly like I did, and you do the second transaction exactly like I did, then your final out-of-pocket cost is $5.18. Used the majority of that same $10 gift card. So I used $5 of it on this transaction, $4 and something on the first transaction. So that brought me almost to that $10 mark. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got back $2.25, and I'll be getting back $2 for the Furry Friend bonus. So that's $4.25. Got back $3.80 from purchasing the gift card. So now my final out-of-pocket cost, instead of being $10, is only gonna be about, oh gosh, do the math in my head real fast, like $8.05 back. So it cost me like $1.85. $1.85 is the final out-of-pocket cost for both of those first 2 transactions, which is amazing. Then my final transaction, I didn't separate my super long receipt yet. Okay, so this transaction, I just did the Gillette deal and the Eucerin deal. So here's that. Gave the paper coupon, the 5 off 2 Gillette, 5 off 20 shave, 4 off 20 facial. The $2 Eucerin digital did not come off again. Last time I tried to use it, it didn't come off either. Bummer on that. So this out-of-pocket cost was pretty high. It was $21.24. So I used 2 different Fetch Rewards gift cards on this one. That way I didn't have to increase my out-of-pocket at all. So all in all, an amazing, amazing haul at CVS this week. I'm so excited. Congratulations again to the 2 winners. Please send me that email as soon as possible. So Monday I can head over to UPS and get those products in the mail for you. If you have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video for me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.